How to make your account private on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your account private on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and here you will find profile, click on it, and then here in the top corner you will find the storylines, click on it and click settings, and then just click this one here, privacy, and here we'll find private account. And now all you need to do is just click on it one click and then click switch, and as you see private account have been enabled. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.